Hey there, nurse practitioner and attorney Nick Webb from NursePracTax. Did you know that there are tax deductions you might be missing that could legally save you hundreds or even thousands come tax time every year? And the best part, these aren't loopholes. They're straight from federal guidelines under the Internal Revenue Service. Here are 5 deductions that many clinicians qualify for when they're properly documented. First, work-related uniforms and equipment. Things like scrubs, nursing shoes, stethoscopes, and tools can be deductible if they're required for your job and not suitable for everyday wear. W-2 employees cannot generally deduct unreimbursed employee expenses, but 1099 and self-employed nurses can certainly do so. Second, continuing education and licensing. Did you know that your CEUs, specialty training, and license renewals may be deductible if they maintain or improve your current skills? The IRS does not allow deductions for education that qualifies you for a new field or specialty, though. That's a little bit different. Third, mileage, lodging, and travel costs may qualify if you're a travel nurse or nurse practitioner and you have a legitimate tax home and your assignment is temporary. Note that incorrect tax status is the #1 pitfall that puts travel nurses at risk, so talk with a qualified tax professional for advice on how to deal with that. Fourth, home office deductions for 1099 RNs and NPs as well as practice owners is certainly something that you should take into consideration. A portion of your home may be deductible when it's used regularly and exclusively for your nursing business. Telehealth, charting, admin, patient communication, all of these things can be taken into consideration, but again, they get very granular and somewhat technical, so it's important to speak with a tax professional who specializes in this area. And then finally, rounding out our list at number 5 is business expenses for self-employed NPs and their side gig. If you run a side practice, do locum work, or own an NP or RN-owned business, tools like EHR and EMR systems, malpractice insurance, scheduling software, and even a business phone plan may be deductible as long as you document business use. And again, there are some caveats and technicalities with you, which is why it's important to speak with a qualified tax professional. Every deduction requires strong records, receipts, mileage logs, dates, and a partridge in a pear tree, not to mention a business purpose. The IRS does not accept estimates, so don't even try. At NursePracTax, we help NPs and RNs build clean, audit-ready books and legal tax strategies built specifically for clinicians. Visit NursePracTax.com to finally keep more of what you earn.